your girl AARZHA, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing press-on nails at home, fun and affordable. I got some amazing press-on nails sent from me from IGL Nails business, and these are amazing. They have instructions on the back to help and successfully get your press-on nails on and popping. So first and foremost, we are going to start with, natural. It's looking but we need some umph. So I'm going to start basically clipping down my nails. Just clip them down to the appropriate length so that they can be ready and prepared. So we're just prepping the nails before we actually apply the press-ons. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to actually push back the cuticles. This is a great way of prepping the nail just to make sure we are able to apply the press-on correctly on the nail bed from sidewall to sidewall. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually push the cuticle back on both hands. And yes. So now that we have our cuticles pushed back, this is going to be a great next step. We're going to actually find nails, the press-on nails that actually match each one of the nails sidewall to sidewall. Once we find the nails, we put them to the side for application, and then we are going to file down our nails. This just basically take the shine off. So we're going to file where we cut, and we're also going to file the nail. So now we're going to get our nail glue, and then we are actually going to apply these beautiful press-ons. Now, I feel like I never applied press-ons correctly until I started getting this company, because they gave me actually like step by step. So I actually followed instructions. When you are using nail glue, you are basically supposed to apply it this way. You're supposed to just do one dot on the nail. I usually put the glue on my real nail and then the press-on nail, but the instructions was to just do one dot in the nail, then apply it on your nail, the press-on your nail, and then hold it for 20 seconds. Okay, so this is what we're going to do for the next step.
Nice nails.
Thank you. Hey guys, so I just want to come to you guys with a amazing company. I got these IGL nails sent to me. They are press-on nails. They come 24 to 28 reusable nails. It took me literally like 10 minutes to put these on, and these are the finishing results. I absolutely love these nails. Definitely check IGL Nails out. I'm gonna leave the links below, and then you can also shop my coupon code to get some money off. Thanks for watching.
Talk, but they got no mouth when money bag talk. It's quiet, ain't no back talk. Quiet, ain't no back talk.